Okay, today we're gonna learn chapter 1 for from 2, which is biodiversity, subtopic 1.1, diversity of an organism. Okay, let me see what is an organism. The first thing that you should know, organism is a living things. What examples of the living things? Actually, human also living things. Animals and the plant. All of these we call as a living things. So the living things have a different shapes, size, and appearance, which enables the scientists to classify these organisms into the group. Next, okay, biodiversity actually it exists from the words of biology and diversity. The first one, biology means living things, and diversity means variety. So when we combine these words, biology and diversity, it will end up as biodiversity. Next, we look for the definitions of the biodiversity. The biodiversity means the diversity or the variety of organisms, whether microorganisms, animals, or plant. Okay, because there are many different types of living things. For your information, Malaysia is one of the 12 mega biodiversity countries. Okay, next, we go to this part. How does biodiversity exist? Can't you think it? Okay, actually, it exists due to the different habitat and the climate. For example, so you can see this diagram, which is about the desert. As we know, desert is a region of land extremely dry and sandy due to the lack of rainfall, right? At the same time, these deserts have extreme climates with high temperature during the day. So all living things in the desert will undergo adaptations in order to survive. For example, the camel. Okay, camels unable they are able to not drink for many days. Okay, same goes to the cactus. They undergo adaptation by change its leaf to become as a thorn. Okay, and next we go for the second picture, which is about the polar regions. Okay, polar regions such as Arctic and Antarctic. As we know, it is very extremely cold. So the living things in these regions will undergo adaptation in order to help them to survive, such as this polar bear. It has a thick fur and also fat. Okay, next. Habitat in soil. As we know, there are a lot of living things in the soil. One of them are earthworm, ant, and many more. So all the living things in the soil undergo adaptations in order to um, survive in this habitat. Same goes to this one in the oceans. Okay, in the oceans, so all the living things inside the oceans, I mean the aquatic life, will undergo adaptation, such as this one, the aquatic animal, the fish. Okay, will develop many adaptation to survive in water, such as having the fins, gills, and the gills. Okay, all of these have a different temperature. Okay, next. Okay, this is the way how to preserve and conserve biodiversity. The first one, we can organize awareness campaign, such as greenery campaign, no plastic bag, okay, to save the earth. Okay, second, we can banning the killing or trade of endemic and endangered animals and plants by do the law enforcement and protecting the habitat through creating national parks and forest reserve. The third one, we may undertaking reproductive program such as seedling nurseries to help with reforestations and turtle hatcheries. Okay, what is the endemic species? Okay, endemic species means a species that live in clusters within a restricted habitat in a specific location. Example of the endemic species a Malayan tiger, okay, the Borneo pygmy elephant, another one, Rafflesia, okay, the pit flowers, and the pitcher plant, and this also leatherback turtle. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.